Nining Jo Acholi, man Jackline Ikang man show me Chaka Leb Acholi, segment me Kwan Leb Acholi. Um, I'm supposed to go live with my sister, Boyle. Not sure if she's having a hard time joining. Tonight, I wanted to read about grief in Acholi culture, on grief in Acholi culture from the book that I've been reading. So I'm just jumping around at the moment, skipping a few chapters. I'm going towards the end where um, the author is talking about ta in Acholi, um, and how we grieve, custom to me grieving. Um, I don't know if she's gonna join right now or not. I'm gonna start reading. If she joins, she joins. If she doesn't, it's okay. Feel free to drop your comments. If you have any comments about what I'm reading, or if you have any comments about grief, um, how we organize, what our custom is to support those who are grieving or going through a hard time, please drop your comments. Ku take it time. No, I was doing global pola mara look lemon look yalang actually. Um TV yam can you look me nga ta and kimi gwa what toa kagitia kana kagitia ka experience gitia going through gamo my hurting again, sorrow, okay, grief. Um, natia kwano, natia kwano. Nagi bupa setani nyala look me ta actually. Please drop your comments, kiti suggestions, king tamni gama tia kwana ni be go will correct go will adako. Nyokati do pat kaimi pa jok culture will custom pat will kimi jolo down a kare ma ginatie. Chui chui will ko tie de gam. Customer party the clan ma pat party the actually will customer intro. A job one ne while I'm at her putty. I don't know if she's gonna join. Can't join is okay. I'm just gonna read and then I'm gonna get offline. Okay. One second. My son Abung is texting me. Drop your comments if you have any comments about grief. Will ta kimi jaladana kara machwe chwin will kokoti gum. Customer party the Chuli Wang. I will the same the Chuli Wang. Please drop your comments. Nining Jo Acholi, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Man Kwan Leb Acholi. Topic Matine, on grief. I'm gonna read and you guys let me know. Sorry, my son is also texting me at this moment. Mamira Kwan. Okay, let me just get to reading. I'll text him afterwards. If you have kids, especially adult children, discuss gaming in your parents today. Aquan, excuse me. Boy, if you're watching, I thought you were going to join. You're a little bit delayed here, so I'm not going to wait because con natin para need assistance kigamo. Yala, I'm gonna connect Chira Canino. Who when you noisy, forgive me. Wangot para tuolo. My street is very loud. My neighbors been make noise my door. Okay. Allah. Jesus. Yeah. Yeah. This kid. Alright, my son is making a lot of noise in the other room. Okay, I did you chapter 32. Dul Pieria Dick wie Ario. Chikwar ma kwaho lok mito. Okay? What you're joining on it. Tai Leb Acholi. That's the first section. Ningani. Lok mito Peter tek to 12 Jo Acholi. Man bene kie man bene gima oweho ge nyuru waro madit bot lota. Topadana matie gi moha chiel nyo kwede moha piera bichiel. Lit lawyer topadana matie gi moha piera bichiel we chiel gi mi chiel. Tie nina moa chiel ma podi ya tie I juba. Apenyolo dira chulia dik magin onongo bedo ite manga. Ne ka dano tie gi woro I kumta. Chi pingo dano mokene da nyo luenyo I wiliel. Okay. Lodiro man ogamo borani. Tie lukma duong ma tuero kelo da gilweny. Ento la chen dano onongo ni tie lok ario madongo manaka jui kelo da gilweny ikin dano. Lok megi aye ni mi achiel dano pe niang ni sitana ye mak okelo to iwi lobo kan. Kad bet Jo Acholi tien mapol wacho iliel ni rubanga mamie bodwa dano en bene madwoko dano man bore. Mi ario Jo Acholi tamo ni dano makelo to ikom lowore. Pilok man dano kad bet onongo to itim o idwa. Acholi pori wacho ni onego ngad man akaka. Okay. Tekwaro pa chuli wacho ni to tie kirario. To mi achiel gilungo ni to pien. To mi ario dano lungo ni to ching nyo to tim. Mi niango mabe ilok ma dok ikom to pien. Nyo pien. Gito ching. Amira wanen gin gi achiel. Wandong wabi chako neno lok ma dok ikom to ching nyo to tim. Kala chin wanen lok ma dok ikom to pien. I don't know what pien is. To pien. What is that? Okay, look me to chingi to tim. Okay, la chojo joining on it. Mapori pe wam mere. Anyim gi look me to chingi to tim. Mokwongo amira watem gamo. Pain man. The street is so loud. Okay, ningani. To ching kono kito ango. Ta team kono kita ango. Leb Acholi wacho ni to ching aye to ma nongo ching ng'at achiel oromo kuom lawore. Chalo chobo dano gi tong. Chobo dano gi pala nyo chielo dano gi loduro nyo ki chielo dano gi atum. Ng'at man gi oto ka oto luak wacho ni en oto gi to ching. Lok mi chobo dano gi tong time ikina Acholi ikare ma dano tie idwa nyo lweny pajo. Mana ye gin ma Acholi wacho ni yamo okolo tong yamo okolo tong atero nyo nyik lodugu ikom dano idwa. To team kono to ma le team kelo ikom dano. Dano ka ochiro idwa chi le team onego luak dong wacho ni en oto gi to team to team nyo team ochamo. Okay? Gin pe wacho ni to mi team nyo le team ma onego. Pien ka gino wacho ni le team aye onege weho koro to dogo tek. To team Acholi koro ikom dano. Ento Acholi niang maber ni le chal liech atunya kwach gi jubi maro nego dano ma da idwa. Dano ma le timo nego ka okelo pajo kome pe gi kero i ot. Chikwar pa Acholi wacho ni dano ma tim ochamo ka okelo pajo miero peo ket i ot. Miero oket en idi dibo ka wiye gi wi dero la kodo. La to dong bedo idi dibo ka dano otiro kwenyo bu gin kwanyo kum la to gitero chut ka gigo. Okay? Te kwar pa Acholi wacho ni kat bed le team ma onego dano kaka pudi nyenyo ka tien to man. Dano yenyo tien to nying. Lodira Acholi wacho borane dano yenyo tien to iyo maparapat. Yo mi achiel ma dano yenyo kwere tien to aye ni ikare ma dano tie ka kwinyo bu. Paneo gi pawero lamo dogi. Paneo dong twero lamo ni kato mana dao bino gi bodwa. Wamiro onong le yat. Le yat. Manok kany pawere bene malo gin lamo dogi makun gin lamo kwere ni ka kono to mano bino gi yo bodwa wamiro onong bu. Chaka otiro tujubu lodiro dong tero kom lato giro. Yenyo tien to pe gik ilamo bu keken. Inge lamo bu paneo gi pawero bene koro terra. Ki otieno ma piny oyuro paneo gi pawero kwanyo bao mi oyo nyo kwaka. Gin dok lamo dogi ma nongo paneo lamo ni kato mano bino gi bodwa kwaka man miero ogo oyo madaro. Kapa wego wajo bene ni lamo dogi ni ka kono to mano bino gi bodwa kwaka man nyo miero ogo oyo malacho. Ingel lamodok kadano onongo leyat ikare magin tie ka kunyabu miyi kakadong wajoni toman obino gibot paneo ka kono gino nongo bu kaka dong wajoni toman obino gibot pawero. Okay. Mi ario kadano nongo ni kaka ogoyo oyo madaro. I'm sorry, kakwaha ogoyo oyo madaro. Man tien lok ne ta obino gi pawero. Ka kono kwaha man ogoyo oyo malacho kaka dong koro ni ta man obino gi bot panel. Okay. Chon gi chon dano ka otoi gi touching kaka chulu gi latina nyaka la po mabe mi lok man otime ikin jo obo gi jo koyo. Waneno angej ni tie nina chiel onyala wot pa oto Ibrahim ikarma chingo romo dako koyo ochulo dako man gi latina nyaka la lum. Jo koyo nongo oyube mi luanyi komo bo ento jo bo nongo peo yube iluany man. Pien gino niang mabe ni lapil man megi lapi man megi mana ye gin ma owekalo diro bo omoko ni jo abong miero ochul dako man gi latin anyaka wek pe okel to ikindano. Okay. It's kind of sad if somebody from one clan or tribe kills somebody from another clan or tribe. To pay for that life, they give a young girl to the tribe of those who lost somebody. Okay, which isn't fair because then the young girl does not decide, right? The clan or the tribe decides which girl to give up to the other clan or tribe, right? As I don't know, as a replacement for that life, I guess. Okay. Jo koyo nongo oyube mi luanyi komo bo ento jo bo onongo pe oyube iluany man. Pien gino niang mabe ni la pi man megi mana ye gin ma oweholo diro bo omoko ni jo abong miero ochul dako man gi latina nyaka wek pe okel to ikinge wala ikindano. And then ochoni jo bo ikare magin tie kamio la lum iwanko. What did I see? Okay, I thought I saw something. Karmagiti kamila lumi wanko. Gila modogi ni kata mana da idok ot mio abong mio bo. Latin kayo pala lum. Miero obed Latin lacho. Okay. Duan wajini mape otero dwe maduong. La lumogamo aye. No, I'm sorry. Mape otero dwe maduong la lum ogamo ie. Onyalo Latin lacho mochako nyinge ni okwo. Man bene onyuro mati ni ta obino gi dok ot mi obong obo. Inge nyual palat lum obong okelo nyok ramo madid otuju idok kulu lerwa miribo kino bogi koyo mana ye kid madano mi achuli chulo ki lok mi to ching ka kuno lacho oramo dano idwa kakapa lacho man kelo nyok ramo nyok tiel madid mia bot won tim tuju nyok ramo tumo gitim wek lok ma chalman dokpe obitime ya nyim won nek bene mako nyok diel mokene mia bot wegi no yuk kiching lo yik megia ye jami mamire pito ching kalok pa dok ikom ayal mato chamo nen ayal mato chamo. I don't know what that means. Wanongoni ayal mato chamo madano mio pito ching apora ne pere nen ayal mato chamo. I don't know what that means. If you understand what that means, please drop your comments. Ngeo ngamat lotia wajib kanye inong wucho gimoy tag na video ini. Nakanen kong. Okay. It's good. Okay. Ta pien. Mapuri bene peo wajo. Sorry. Ma bene. Not reading in order. Excuse me. Mapuri bene pe wachiro anyi. Ginena look me ta pien. Amira mi achil wagam pen man. Ta pien kono kit ta ngo. Te kwar pa chuli wajani. Ta pien a ye ta ma neho dano inge tuo. Tuo man tuero tero de giga beach nina chiel due achiel nyo ario nyo mwaka achiel nyo ario dana mato gi to pien naka jui ginto I ot nyo ginto I ot yat to pien tuero bedo to pa dano makwiri to pa la dobo topa ruot topa latino rudi ki topa latin kayo anongo tie chik kwaro maparapat malubu lokom to maparapat kid ma achoyo malo kany dong wabineno chik kwaro man lachien idul man. Okay. To pien pengeo mwaka pa dano nyo yero dano piman to pien tuero nego dano madit nyo latin lake la dit ka oneno ni tuo dong oboy en wako timo gin ango la dit ka ota wako la dit ka ota weko la bot anga. Okay. Tekwar pa chuli wajani la dit ma tie gi latino ka oneno ni ta dong oboyo en wako luong latina chiel ma en maro ki kin latino mokene ka wajibot gini be latin andong nen chalo nino mera dong chiro karomo. Mapuri chunya pe omuony, amiro niang'o in matini kato miro imak ka ato miro imak olwero pa kwaru. Okay? Nen omeko gi limeko meri. Ka lok matie marach idok ot pa wora miro ichung'ye. Kany apogo olwero man lam gi doga kel chingi bora. Latin chwalo chinge bot wone en mako ching latin ariyo ka ngolo la idi chwiny ma wacho kwede ni kwara yam oweko la mere bora nyo bot wora. Inyim to pa wora en bene oweko la mere ichinga. An bene tin aweko la mera ichingi. Pien aneno ni ki wang mi diro in keken ma digi itwero mako omeko gi limeko pe meri. Inge lok man la dit kwanyo oboke olwero dio ching wode man mi nyuru ni twero pa wone gi duchu odong iching latin man. La chen la dit wacho bo latin wek odok ka tuku ikin Latino mokene. Mapeo tero wang chawa mapol la dit luongo latin man kachiel gi omeko mere mokene. Latino bino bedo piny chok ikom wuongi. La dit ma oneno Latino duchu ogore en dong elo wange ka neno Latino ka wajo bot gini be Latino andong nen chalo ngom bichama waka. Mapuri chunya tie manok amiro niang'o wun duchu ma wubedo kani Latino achiel miro oyub kwo mere amiro wubed labong apoka. Wubed chal dano pa ngat achiel. Latin mo miro pe obed ki apoka ikom omine. Okay? Kid ma pe apoko wun mi ariyo amiro wun duchu wun nen omin wu man matek. La dit chimo ka luongo gi nyinge. Lok ma en wacho miro wun duchu wori kwede. Ka ngat ma ochayo doki nongo bene ochayo doka. Okay. Ichawa man la dit pe nyuru bod Latino mere ni en otiro weko la bot wode ma en olungon nying. Ento kad bed la dit pe owacho ni en otiro weko la bot ominge ki lok pa wonge Latino tuk ki niang chut ni en dong otiro weko la bot ominge ma en obedo kachimone. Okay. Inge nina manok to chamo la dit en ka chunye otiro mony daka ma dit ma idok ot man dolo tien la dit ka dolo bene ching kiro ichunye. Daka man kwanyo abit umu idoge. Ikarami achonya during the primitive time, uncivilized time. Lato giyigo gibongo matie ikome nyo giyigo monero. Lokmi yigo dano gi chanduk tie bot Jo Acholi makwo itim. Okay. Med ikom man dano ka oto itim gi kelo kome pajo gi sanduk your chanduk the casket. Okay. Giyo bene gi chanduk man Mod mora chuli ma tie itim o chaka wego dolo tien lato. Gi umu doke gi abit lato dong buru ataro gi ngeye edi chanduk nongo chinge ario duchu oribo ichwinye nyo nyare manongo bene o umu wie gi bongo mata. This is pretty long. Let me see how much longer I can go. I don't want to read too much. No. I will finish the rest tomorrow. I think my son is sleeping now. I will try to read tomorrow. So I look me on it. I didn't finish look me ta pien moon kid ta me ta get gonna tour again. Manong longeo ko wala ka ngeo better to tell ta tour. Ka look me on it. Warning on it. Ta team moon like if you go hunting more to many dilum. Someone in the wilderness or something. Ka gimo team kono le chami wala gimo team ku ya ta. Long ta team. Ta chim kono munu ka nga mo munero in nga mo timo gimo mi harm in mi no in yo even by accident kono orin yara bia chabi in or chelo in nga kono by accident by intentionally munu ta ching. Okay, ta team ko team in the team wo gimo no in the team leo chama in to la tami wala nga ka ta pien munu chal to. Okay, and then la charge and better can describe ngoma time ka ngamo tie chirato ngeni chirato chaka chiko daka both family weginge and borala ka la to tie do la deed bule the head of household the father borala even uncle borala bula tin ma chel pere. I don't know if there's cases where la deed la to borala but ngamo ma pe latin pere. Kalau tini pera tia wobe tia bam shola bora la palatina wobi pala ta. Lakin kala ta na peglo tini jago bora la pun ngam kena. Your family member, nephew, or nieces. Okay, who drop your comments? Ni karma chan melo yiko dana no kumu monero nyokuro umgi chwa lo yiki ngam. These days mo yiko dana ki casket nyo chanduk. Lakin ni lokman mi yiko dana ki chanduk no binu ki Jo Acholi ti team jumati in foreign lands or in the diaspora. Manong these days, I'm sure danong lo yiko danong gisandu kan mena bi chere funeral gene gam. Ye South Sudan kuja. Ye ba lo yiko danong gisandu to. And the only thing that I see is still the same is yiko dano on the family land or family property. Okay. Maybe some places putting kumchani lo te yiko dano gigena. You go down in Sandukla, you go down a cemetery, public cemetery, or even a private cemetery. Maybe gang kuja, maybe. But mostly, my gang a couple of years ago, down you looking behind on the property, right? Behind the house or on the land somewhere, you go down a put like that. Before you go down Monerma, you look at casket, la dollar ching, la a twin, ka yang la 210, but now la dollar 10. Who drop your comments. I'm going to finish reading some of this tomorrow. My sister didn't join. I wanted to discuss this today to see some of the challenges we face with grief and accepting um, when God calls us home. One moment we're doing, we don't know how to handle loss. We don't know how to handle sorrow and grieving. It's a very tough process. It's natural. We're humans. We're supposed to feel this way, but it's something that is very tough for us, especially one more tia kanye, tia wakai team, kama bo. Mm, and then most of our parents are either gone, well, all of their siblings are all gone, all of their family members are gone. Wudong jomo nika chela chel kini keken. Uh, like we may have an aunt here and an uncle there. Parents too are gone or something. Like for us, our case, our dad is still around. He's very old now. Our mom is gone, and from my mom's family, most of her siblings are gone. She has two younger brothers left, and and a sister, um, and her cousin Skinny. But because she raised one Kanye away from her family, sometimes we wonder about Chiracholi, how to prepare. I know a community to a team one, but just the process of grieving, the culture to a custom to a. Sometimes we have to, ask other people about the tradition. We already lost a few people, including my mom and my brother. Get like in one year ko don't kid me kine. One year ko ikarmo who to reach out to. Kid me handle final wishes and end of life preparation. Gamoko gichirachule. So sometimes we reach out to the community, but sometimes we wonder if there's something we're leaving out. So we wanted to kwana nagi bukin tinero. Gimo tima kono we wa will kere ka ngamo pema watwara go iti chim. Your family member, your jogomi community, pay me kanya wana look mo me gina final planning, end of life final planning gina kingongo gina what family members mo take it. Lawajaning all timaning all. What is the process? One bo point one moon give up what you're pointing the community, you walk by Kwan because one bo what dog gang putting kabedo. So I wanted to Kwan and share with those who don't know. And my sister was supposed to join so we can discuss together, but we'll join, which is fine. Diga Kwano, the remainder of the chapter on the process. Itong nga process sa gichigachuli. Kada wa learn gi community, ga mo ko puri custom to pat according to clan, according to tribe. Like my mom gave family took a day from a ball, maybe custom to the pot. Kimani one nano kirene. Ka ta na bira ta meeting where ngamu ne ko ngamo clan mo kena nye tribe mo kena. Jobo gichul glatina nyaga. See, that's something that I didn't know. So it's good to engage, find out, learn. And if you have any comments about what I read or what I'm saying, leave your comments. If there's something you wish to share about your custom, tradition, practice, me jolly down I kara me towel, kara me tool, sickness, isn't sorrow and grieving. Who bought a comment too, kanya, okay. Apo I'm attack at Jackline Ikang man show me Chaka Acholi, segment me Kwan Acholi. Okay. Today is Tuesday, November 14th. You have a good night, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. Apo I'm attack. Take care. Bye bye.